RosyTime. The main ingredients of RosyTime are cranberries, rose, Acelora Cherry, and Cactus Fruit. These plants contain high antioxidants that will stimulate your body to produce its own collagen. Collagen produced by your body can prevent the aging of internal body organs and enhance the functions of your immune system. More importantly, collagen produced by your body will help you to maintain a firm and elastic skin. Having sufficient collagen also will help to prevent the aging of blood vessels, protect your eyes and joints, and also prevent osteoporosis and glaucoma. RosyTime is the complete, wholesome product to fulfill your anti-aging, beauty, and wellness needs. Cranberry contains high amounts of antioxidants, which can preserve your youth and beauty, in addition to removing excessive fats from your body. The antioxidant levels in rose is 50 times higher than lemon, and the vitamin C in Acerola Cherry is 33 times higher than orange. As for Cactus Fruit, it can prevent DNA damage and help cell regeneration. Yes, RosyTime contains all of these unique ingredients, which will stimulate your body to produce more and more collagen on its own. Consuming and applying collagen-based beauty products definitely cannot replace the collagen in your body, as these types of collagen products cannot be fully absorbed by your body. If you desire a healthier and younger body, then RosyTime is the product for you. RosyTime will help your body to maintain its youthfulness, both internally and externally. So, there you have it. RosyTime is a must-have product for you and me.